Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today we're talking about apps. As usually at the beginning of every month, I share with you guys 10 apps that I think are really awesome and you must give them a try on your iOS device. Now today we're starting with a very popular app now, even though it's pretty new, and that's DeepSeek, the competitor to ChatGPT, and it's actually quite cool. Now I've used it for a couple of days. It is interesting, it works really well, and it is free of course. And as you can see right here, the interface is pretty simple. If you haven't used it before, this is the interface. So you will have DeepThink R1 right there, the search as well. Right here, of course, tap any message, you can send it. Then you tap the plus button if you want to attach like any document, maybe a photo, or even like an image there from your photos library. And this is basically all you have here. You can start a new chat directly from there. Of course, if you have a chat here, have written something, you can go ahead and tap right there. Now, DeepSync, just like compared to ChatGPT, it doesn't like generate images and all that, but of course if you just ask it anything, it will actually give you different answers and very correct answers, and with all the details that you need. Like just right here, I can send this image of a math problem and it will actually give us not just a solution but a full explanation on how that it's solved and all that. So it's actually really awesome, and you can see here it's actually also very fast as well, so you can see everything there. So it will basically give you every detail for just that one math problem. You will have every explanation you need in order not just to have the problem solved, but also understand how you can solve it. Next up is Clockwise. Now this one is really interesting, and here we also have a couple of widgets from this app. Now what this app does is that it allows you to add your contacts here with their time zones. So let's say you have friends or family that live in another time zone, you can just go ahead and add them right here, and you will have their time zone set as well. And when you go to the app, it will show your time zone, and then it will also show you the time zones here for your friends, of course, the city where they live, and what is the current time right there. Of course, you can tap there and you will have basically every detail you need to know regarding that place. So you can see right here, all like the sunrise, sunset, daylight, all that, everything will be in one place. Next up is IP Locator. This one is pretty simple. What it does, it locates IP addresses. It is a free app. All you have to do is just enter the IP address right there. So this is basically the home screen of the app. Once you open it, this is what you will see. You enter the IP address right there. It will show you right here where it is. And of course, it will also have all the like different details regarding that IP address. Next up is an app called PDF. It allows us to merge photos into PDFs, create PDF out of your images. You can just basically scan from here and do all kinds of different stuff, like you add different scans or you add different images, and it will let you just turn all of them into PDF files. Like you can see here, we have one that we have created. We can rename this, we can print it, and of course even share it from here. So it's actually very easy to use. You can add from here, you can do that of course from your files or from your photos, and just basically convert anything you need into a PDF file. Next up is QuickLive. This is a pretty simple app. It is free, and right now you can also get like the ads-free version for free if you install it right now. And it allows you to basically create live photos and also live wallpapers out of your videos. It is pretty awesome, especially if you want to use it for the lock screen of your device to create wallpapers out of the videos that you have on your camera roll. Simply load a video from here. Once you have loaded the video, all you have to do is just tap on start converting, and in a few seconds right here we'll have the video ready. You can now just go to your photos and set it as a wallpaper for your device. Now what's really cool right here is that you can also add multiple videos and just convert them all at the same time if you just don't want to bother with actually adding videos one by one. You add one there, you can tap the plus button, add another one, or just when you go to select, you can just select multiple of videos. BeText is up next. Now BeText is a writing app, and it's actually a very simple writing app. It offers a very simple UI. You will have right here your files, All you have here is basically a text, a place where you can write text. You can format your text, as you can see right here. It's basically designed for typing. So right here you will have like everything you need. You will have the formatting for your text right here with different fonts, of course, different highlights, different sizes, anything you want. You can arrange your text any way you want, and also it allows you to actually add text from your camera. So if you just want to like scan a text and add it right here, it will allow you to do that. So it's actually very simple yet very useful. Like for students, things like that, when you want to type something, you can just go ahead and use this app. It actually is very easy to use, and it has some really useful features. As you will see right here, things like maybe capitalizing every word, or maybe just uppercase everything. It's actually very useful. So you will have a bunch of different fonts right here. Of course, you can choose from ton of different fonts. As you can see, the list here is actually huge, so you can just go ahead and pick the font that you need. Next up is Widgets, an app that offers widget for your home screen. It's actually pretty cool. It's a newer app, and what I like about it are these like animated widgets, even though I don't suggest that you keep a lot of them, maybe one, because they will consume more battery, but they actually look really cool. Like these for the battery right here, they look really awesome. So you get here widgets for your locks, for actually your home screen, and the standby mode as well. So you will see here photo albums. You can pick your own photos, have them on your home screen or the standby mode. Then you will have all the different animated widgets right here, which are pretty cool. So you can go ahead and select any of them. And then you will also have different other widgets that you can add to your home screen. Like you will see the standby music one, that's pretty cool. Then you will have clocks, the analog clock, digital clock as well, and some pretty cool ones for the calendar. So you can see a bunch of them right here that will make your home screen look really interesting. And when you go to the gallery, you will see here all the different widgets that you have saved. So you have first to save them, and then you can go ahead and apply them to your standby mode or to your home screen. Next up is PerfectDay. This is a weather app that I really like. It is very simple. As you can see right here, the UI is very elegant, very simple. All you have right there is the current weather, and you will have here the next 4 days, and you're all good to go. Now, what you get here is also this button, which I really like. So if you tap right here, what it will do is that it will give you actually outfit ideas for your day based on the current weather. So you tap right there, and it will show you a list of things that you can actually wear today based on the weather predictions for your location. Here's a very simple app, yet actually very useful, and probably a lot of users will need this. This app is called No Crop. It allows you to post videos or photos anywhere you want without having to crop them. All you have to do is just load them here. And as you can see right there, if I want to post this picture to my Instagram story, for example, it will actually do the job. So it adds that blur in the background right there. You will have different formats right here, not just the blur. You can also add solid colors if you want to, but that doesn't actually look that good. This one with the blurred background, it's actually very simple, very effective, and it does the job pretty well. And last but not least is TimeFlow, another simple app, yet it's very cool. I like this widget that they have for the home screen right here, which shows the current year, the month, the week, and also it will show you right here the current day, and it does show the progress of each of those with the percentages right here. That's really awesome. Now, if we go into the app, this is what you will see right here, and when you go to the settings, you will actually be able to customize the widgets that you saw on the home screen, change the color right here, and see, of course, the progress for anything you want here. So it's pretty cool. So you will have your year right here, your days, and you can just watch the progress in percentages from your home screen. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the apps. If you did and you want to try out any of them, make sure to check out the pinned comment. All the links will be there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.